Good morning, ma'am. Myself, S. Ashok Kumar Reddy from third year A section. Today, my topic is about automation building blocks. Introduction to automation building blocks. Automation building blocks are fundamental components used to design and implement automation workflows. They enable the creation of stable and reusable automation solution across various systems. Understanding these blocks is essential for building effective and efficient automation process. By these automation building blocks, we have to we work very fast. There are different types of blocks. First we see about input and output blocks. Input and output blocks facilitate data exchange between automation systems and external sources. They support various data formats such as files, database and APIs. These blocks are crucial for triggering automation actions and capturing results. In the figure we have to observe they have different types of formats. We have to given the input and then we have to get the output. These have to be support various formats such as files, database and APIs in the system. Next, decision and logic blocks. Decision blocks allow automation workflows to branch based on specific conditions or data values. Logic blocks perform operations like calculations, data transformations, and comparisons. They enable dynamic and intelligent automation processes that adapt to different scenarios. In the figure, we have to observe intelligent automation building blocks. First, foundation, then robotic, integrated analysis, and artificial intelligence. We have to see the flow of the diagram in this. First, foundation. Projects have been completed by automation. Next, robotics. By using robotics that have been done our work manual effects. Next, integrated analysis. We have to integrate some of the components that should be reduce our work. Next, artificial intelligence. It should be self-learning systems and self-evaluating tools that have been very simplify our work. Data processing blocks. Data processing blocks handle data manipulation, filtering, and aggregation tasks. They prepare data for subsequent steps, ensuring accuracy and relevance. These blocks are visual for maintaining data integrity within automation workflows. By using these data processing, the work that has been completed within very short period of time by using some of the tools. It have been filtering the unwanted data and process the exact data what we want. Next, looping and repetition blocks. Looping blocks enable repetitive execution of tasks until a condition is met. They support scenarios such as batch processing and iterative data analysis. Proper use of these blocks enhance efficiency and reduce manual effort. When we do the same work for the more time, we have to kept in the looping and those work has been repeated by the system manually so that our work should be reduced. Next, event and trigger blocks. Event blocks monitor systems or application events to initiate automation workflows. By using these trigger blocks, define specific conditions or threshold that activate processes. They ensure automation respond promptly to real-time changes or inputs. By using these event and trigger blocks, we have to trigger the target and perform the events that what has been actually done in the real time. It is very useful. Next, integration blocks connect automation workflows with external systems and services. They facilitate communication via APIs, messaging queues or middleware. These blocks expand automation capabilities across diverse platforms and tools. By using the integration blocks, we have to combine the some of the tools that have been work very fast. The workflow that has been done in a proper manner. The facility communication have been done by APIs. We have to passing the message in the queue or middleware. By using these techniques, we have to implement our work very fast. The flow that can be easily have been done. Next, error handling and logging blocks. Error handling blocks manage exception and ensure workflows can recover from failures. Logging blocks record process details for auditing and troubleshooting. These error handling blocks that has been more useful, that has been rectify the errors what has been occurred, and it has been simplify our work by finding out the failures that what has been occurred in the process, and logging blocks that has been record what that has been problem that has been occurred. In next we have to don't repeat that mistake in the future. Incorporating these blocks improve reliability and maintainability of automation solutions. Next, user interface blocks. User interface blocks provide interaction points for users to input data or control workflows. They support dashboards, forms, and notifications within automation platforms. These blocks, by using the interface blocks, this has been provided the structure and way. By seeing the interface, we have to observe that what has been exactly we do without the unnecessary things. It has been provide the necessary things that what has been done, and they have to support that forms and notifications within automation platforms. The notification that has been get by automation process, and it has been these blocks enhance user engagement and oversight of automation processes. By using these user interface blocks, it has been automation engaged with the users, and it has been very easy to interact with the users. In the picture we have to observe that knowledge center general block accounts interface. We have to easily find out that it has been some of the blocks. By using these user interface blocks, we have to easily find out that the what the interface has been in the system. And the finally conclusion is about understanding and properly implementing automation building blocks is key to success automation projects. And modular design and clear documentation improve scalability and maintenance. Continual evolution and optimization of building blocks lead to more effective automation solutions. I finally conclude that the design and the documentation that has been maintained in a proper way, and our work has been reduced by using these automation building blocks. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for giving this opportunity.